Chiliz value equivalent to 1.4031 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.3917. 1.4250. The earlier day close, 1.4424. The change was 0.0393, 2.72%. Reverse rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. In multi-week Chiliz conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Chiliz figure on Thursday, August 24. Cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, August 28. Cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 31. Cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Chiliz figure on Friday, September 1. Cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, September 4. Cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, September 5. Cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.08 rands, exorbitant cost 1.08, while low cost 0.85. The found the middle value of cost 0.98. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 0.91. Change for December 15.7%. Chiliz estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 0.91 rands, exorbitant cost 1.05, while low cost 0.91. The found the middle value of cost 0.96. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 0.98. Change for January 7.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 0.98 rands, exorbitant cost 0.98, while low cost 0.81. The found the middle value of cost 0.91. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 0.87. Change for February 11.2%. Chiliz gauge for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 0.87 rands, exorbitant cost 0.96, while low cost 0.84. The found the middle value of cost 0.89. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 0.90. Change for spring 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.11. While low cost 0.90. The found the middle value of cost 0.99. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.04. Change for April 15.6%. Chiliz gauge for May 2024. At the outset, cost at 1.04 rands. Excessive cost 1.13. While low cost 0.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.06. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.06. Change for May 1.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 1.06 rands. Excessive cost 1.16. While low cost 1.00. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.08. Change for June 1.9%. Chiliz conjecture for July 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.08 rands. Excessive cost 1.09. While low cost 0.95. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.04. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.02. Change for July 5.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.02 rands. Excessive cost 1.25. While low cost 1.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.12. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.17. Change for August 14.7%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.17 rands. Excessive cost 1.46. While low cost 1.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.29. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.36. Change for September 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.36 rands. Excessive cost 1.69. While low cost 1.36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.50. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.58. Change for October 16.2%. Chiliz gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 1.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.72. While low cost 1.50. The found the middle value of cost 1.60. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.61. Change for November 1.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 1.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.75. While low cost 1.53. The found the middle value of cost 1.63. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.6.